See, if you're having 500 views, if you're having 200 views, after all the work, after editing your thumbnail, doing everything, and you are still having 500 views, I want to tell you one thing that you need to do that will take you to the next level for you to start having thousands of views. Yes, it works like magic. A lot of people don't know about this, and a lot of people know about it, but they feel it's very difficult, it's very taxing. I cannot do it, blah 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 blah. But if you do that one thing and it works for you, I want you to come under that comment section and say, yes, I tried it and it worked. Yes, because I don't like to gatekeep. I like to tell you what has worked for me. Now you may come into this channel and say that, oh, this person just have maybe 2 subscribers or how many views. Yes, this channel is just starting like 3 days or 4 days ago, so I am growing it organically. So if you see it, I've had experience from my other channels, and that is why I'm pouring it out here. So for those that want to know, that is why I'm explaining this. So if this is what you want to always see often, please click on the subscribe button so you will get notification when my video pops up. So let's get into it now. You know, there's one thing when you do your video, you just save it automatically, and when you want to upload it, you will just upload it directly like that. No, because you need to optimize that video. You need to tell YouTube what this video is all about. That is the first instant, because when you're uploading a video and that video title, that name is showing how to create or how to do this, YouTube is already knowing that, okay, this is what this video is all about, before your description, before your hashtags and everything. But your video optimization for the title or the file of that video, you need to optimize it. How are you going to optimize it? It is very simple. See, if you're using Android, you just, when you save it, see it here that is already saved with name, so it doesn't even know the file, what this file is all about. But by the time you press edit, you are going to save it. But don't remove the mp4, just remove the numbers and save the file of the name of the title you are going to give that video. If the video is about how to get 1,000 subscribers, put it how to get 1,000 subscribers ASAP. So when you want to download it, you will go to that file, your document where you have 1,000, so how to get 1,000 subscribers, and save it. That is one major reason that your video will skyrocket. Your video will definitely go viral if you optimize your file. If your file has a title on that file, YouTube will automatically know what that file is all about and will start pushing it, because it's so easy. They already know what the video is all about. I'm guessing, okay, let's see, okay, but let's now, but from your file already, you're already saying that, just like when you're searching for something on your system and you see names of the file, you'll be able to know which one to click on or which one to take. But when you don't see any name, you start watching it directly, and that watching it directly is slowing your views automatically. That's what it means, slowing your views. But when you have it already, you already know where you are going to, who the audience is all about, who this file audience is for. You have to push it. That's one major reason that your video will definitely pick up if you change the file name to the name of the title of the video you want to give to your audience. Yes, and let me give you extra, just a topping on what you have watched. Number 2, or let me say extra, is always when you have uploaded your video, just stay there for like 30 minutes and watch other people's video that is related to your video. That is a way of getting more views. Let me tell you the secret. If you stay for like 30 minutes to watch other people's video, do you know that video that you're watching, automatically your video will be at the end result, like the video next that will be uploaded, the video next that people will see, that when they are watching, that they are big creators. What I will tell you, you need to be strategic. Those big creators that has numbers, watch their videos, and automatically your video will pop up next. When they see it's similar to what they have watched, they will definitely watch your video. Don't go and watch movies or watch music, and when your video is up next, people just say, ah, na music I dey watch, wetin be this one? They'll just swipe. Watch what is related to your reach, and so that by the time your video pop up next, somebody also will say, oh, so, let me try this one. Ooh, let me see. That is how you also get more views on that. Let me now ask you this question. Are you willing to try this two method? As if you have a choice. But have you tried it before? If yes, did it work for you? Please put it under the comment section so that a lot of people will read it and see that actually this thing works like magic. I am telling you for free. I'm not gatekeeping. So if up to now you are not still subscribed, ha. The first one I talk, you no subscribe. The second one I talk, you no subscribe. This third one, we gonna subscribe. So see you in my next video. Bye.